Hello again, guys. It's Corey here. Today we're going to be replacing the battery in this 2015 Jetta TDI. This is the base model, the S model. So locate the battery, which is right here, easy enough to get to. And we have two 10mm nuts to remove these terminals. This is the original battery, and it was made in Mexico. The brand is Enertech. Looks like it was 640 cranking amps. That might be cold cranking amps, and maybe 380 is the cranking amps. I'm not sure exactly, but I purchased this DieHard Platinum battery. This is an AGM battery, or absorbed glass mat battery. 760 cold cranking amps, and it's the H6 size, which is what you need for this vehicle. So yeah, a lot of people have their battery preferences. I've always had good luck with DieHard. So with that, yeah, we'll go ahead and get started here. Okay, disconnect the negative first, and then the positive. I have to wiggle it back and forth, get it over top of the terminal. Just set that aside back there, and then we can remove the positive terminal. There we go. Now the next step would be to remove this protective cover, or this little insulator. Slowly lift it up over top of the battery, set it aside. And now we have to remove the battery hold down. Alright, the battery hold down bolt is right down there. You can see the top of it there. It's a 13mm bolt. So I have my socket here and a 10-inch extension. This is a 3/8 drive ratchet. And we're going to slip it down in here. It is tight, but it can be done. So once you get it on there, just go ahead, loosen that up. And a good idea would be to get a magnet to get that thing once you get it loosened, so you don't lose it. Okay, I have the hold down bolt loose. Got my magnet on it. Got it out of there. You can see that there. Now that hold down is loose, swing that out of the way. It clears the bottom of the battery base, and that is loose. So luckily there are two handles here that fold up. That's convenient. Just go ahead and lift this up. Just be careful. These are heavy. Let's set this down here. And here's our new battery. Make sure the terminals are in the right spots. I can take this off. Line it up just to make sure. There we go. Perfect. Now I can take this, set it into position. Now before you proceed, if you want to clean this area up, you can. Sometimes, you'll get some debris down here and whatnot. This doesn't look too bad. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this battery down into position. So watch the cables. Alright. Okay, fold the handles down like so. And now we can go ahead and get our bolt back and into position, and then tighten this hold down. This is the trickiest part of this whole procedure, is lining this up without dropping that bolt. Alright, so I have my bolt on the end of the magnet. I'm going to slowly guide it down into position here. Try to get it started in that hole. Like I said, this is the worst part about this whole thing. Okay, I got the bolt started in the hole there. I'm gonna get my socket. Alright, I got it started. I'm just gonna tighten it up by hand, and then once I get it snug, I'll get the ratchet, tighten up the rest of the way. Okay. That's good, it's not going anywhere. Alright, the next step is important. I like to use battery terminal cable protector. Protect your terminals from corrosion. Dielectric grease will work too. This little tube I have here, if it would focus, there it is. Alright, they also sell an aerosol spray. It's really convenient. You can just spray it all over these terminals. It's nice because you can get in the tight spots and in the connectors, the cables as well. So I'm going to do that now. Just put a light little coating on here. Just spread it around. This will prevent any corrosion that might occur in the future. Just do that for both of these terminals and the cables as well. Inside, outside, everything. Anywhere you can get at. Okay, now we can slide this insulator back over top and around the side. Just watch your terminals, your cables, I mean. Alright guys, I'm ready to connect this battery back up here. Remember, positive first, then your ground, and then tighten these nuts back up. Remember, 10 millimeter, you'll need a deep well on these guys. Okay, that's good there. Okay, that's it for that. That completes the battery install, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it. And please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.